everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will guide you through the process of resetting your Gmail password quickly and securely. If you've forgotten your Gmail password or simply want to change it for security reasons, follow these easy steps. First, open your web browser and navigate to Gmail login page. Enter your email address and click on Next. On password page, click on Forget Password or Try Another Way to initiate the recovery process. Depending on the recovery options you have set up, Google may send verification code to your recovery email or phone number. Choose the method you prefer and follow the instructions to receive the code. Once you get the code, enter it in the provided field and click on Next. If you don't have access to a recovery email or phone, Google might ask you some security questions or allow you to verify your identity through other means. Follow the prompts and provide the required information. After successfully verifying your identity, you will be prompted to create a new password or update your password. Make sure to choose a strong and unique password that you haven't used before. Enter the new password twice to confirm it and click on Save or Change Password. To ensure your account stays secure, consider enabling two-factor authentication by going to your Google account settings and following the prompts. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this a thumbs up, share it with your friends who might need it, and subscribe to the channel for more useful tech tips. Thanks for watching.